If there is one gift we can give to our children, it is a great education. At Abedeen Academy, our students are imbued with Islamic values and a meaningful connection to their common cultural heritage, while at the same time given a solid academic grounding. Abedeen develops world leaders by combining outstanding academic achievement, character building, knowledge-based unlimited exposure, multicultural awareness, international environment readiness, and deep understanding of Islam and life values. Keep watching to find out how Abedeen encourages critical and creative thinking, engages students intellectually, and fosters the growth of moral integrity. Welcome to our school. With a clear vision and mission to develop world-class leaders, Abedeen offers a futuristic education, a blended Malaysian and Cambridge curriculum, shared heritage and a deep understanding of Islamic religion and life values. Through a supportive, warm and caring environment, students develop the passion for excellence. Every member of Abedeen is expected to be highly responsible in doing their best to produce the highest quality of students. Their education goes beyond the school into the heart of the local and global community. Intercultural readiness and diversity appreciation. Modern school, safe, healthy and intellectually stimulating with a dynamic learning climate. Expert teachers with continuous professional development. Personalized and small learning group, increasing students' engagement with teachers through the process of learning instead of teaching. Students are given the opportunity to excel together without competing with each other. No race or student is left behind. Active family and community involvement. Located in Putrajaya, Cyberjaya, a perfect blend of beautiful cities and world-class environment to inspire future leaders. Effective and charismatic leadership. Exposure to a variety of science and art disciplines. Abedeen is distinctive from other schools through our many world-class programs. Through the Hudan lil Muttaqin program, students immerse in understanding the Al-Quran while learning to practice both obligatory and communal ibadah. As a passport to the world, English is the first language at Abedeen. Through our activities, students strengthen their mastery of the English language into becoming fluent and confident speakers. We also train our students to be multilingual by learning a third language, Mandarin, Japanese, or German. It is important for our students to be both mentally and physically healthy. Our Brains and Brawn program helps students sharpen their problem-solving skills while encouraging them to stay active and athletic. Our Living Skills program has students immersed in the field of plantation, where they grow and care for their own crops. In developing world leaders, our activities have students doing public speaking every day in front of everybody in the school. They increase their general knowledge through the weekly themes and read up stories on successful people and leaders from around the world. Our Scientists and Researchers Plan program develops students to become professionals in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through theoretical learning and hands-on projects and experiments. Our Intercultural Readiness program has students learning history and cultures from around the world. Abedeen was honored at the Global Responsible Business Leadership Awards 2017 with the Islamic Education Excellence Award, a prestigious recognition for being leaders in demonstrating exemplary corporate responsibility and sustainability practices.